is, some people think, is not obligatory to enjoin what is good and forbid what is evil. They quote the verse from Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah 5, verse 105, "O you who believe, guard your own souls. If you follow the right guidance, no hurt can come to you for those who are in error." To support their claim, is it the right interpretation or not?
As far as the interpretation of this verse of the Quran is concerned, this verse says that, "O you who believe, no harm will come to you if you follow the right guidance." So the criteria of this verse is that you should follow the right guidance. And if you read the commentary of this verse, right guidance is what? Right guidance is enjoining what is good and forbidding what is wrong. As Allah says in the Quran in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 110, "Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas." O ye Muslims, ye are the best of people evolved for mankind, enjoining what is good and forbidding what is wrong. Ta'miruna bil ma'rufi wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. Enjoining what is good and forbidding what is wrong and believing in Allah. So, if you have to be on the right guidance, Allah says, you have to enjoin what is good and forbid what is wrong and believe in Allah. If we do not enjoin what is good and if we do not forbid what is wrong, we are unfit to be called as khaira ummah. So even according to this verse, you have to enjoin what is good and forbid what is wrong. And the criteria for any Muslim to go to Jannah are given in Surah Al-Asr, chapter number 103, verse number 1 to 3, which says, "Wal asr, innal insana lafi khusr, illa lazin amanu, wa amilu salihati, wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr." By the token of time, man is verily in a state of loss, except those who have faith, those who have righteous deeds, those who exhort people to truth, and those who exhort people to patience and perseverance. For any human being to go to Jannah, he requires 4 things. That Iman, number 1, righteous deeds. Number 2, number 3, watawasaw bil haqq, exhorting people to truth. And number 4, exhorting people to patience and perseverance. If any one of these 4 is missing, you shall not enter Jannah. You may be a very good Muslim, you may be offering salah, you may have gone for hajj, you may be paying zakat, but if you don't do dawah, if you don't enjoin what is good and forbid what is wrong, you will not go to Jannah. If Allah wants to forgive you and put you in Jannah, that's a different question, that's His prerogative. As Allah says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 48 and Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 116, if He wishes, He may forgive any sin, but the sin of shirk He will not forgive. But in normal circumstances, all 4 things are equally important. Iman, righteous deeds, exhorting people to truth, that is dawah and islah, and exhorting people to patience and perseverance. Therefore, dawah and islah is one of the criteria for any Muslim, for any human being to go to Jannah.